friends, new and old, and welcome back to the channel. It's your friend Chip, and today we're going to take a look at something really cool. These are more of the dinosaw blind bags, and these are the holiday set. I did some Google Translate kind of stuff on the box, and I couldn't find out more other than it's one box with 20 in them, and the styles may vary. So there are a whole bunch of different variants for each character. It looks like we're only going to end up with Pip, Hitch, Sunny, and Izzy in this box. And right here on this side of the box are all of our options. So you can see there's Pip, and there's Izzy, Sunny, and Hitch. And it looks like Pip is Christmas and Izzy is Halloween. And I'm not positive on these two. This might be like Lunar New Year, but I don't know what this one is. So maybe it'll tell us a little bit more when we get like a collector's guide or something for it. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off of the box, get it all set up, and we've got our display shelf here so that we can start putting them on it. And let's check these out.
Yay!
Alright, and I've got the box opened up, and we have a main colorful festivals. This was the piece that blocked our spot where we can get our blind bags. And when I tip this box up, you can see the little artwork that they have for all of them and what that looks like. And then you reach in here and grab your blind bag. Super cute. I love the display boxes. They're so cute. Let me get a bag out. There we go. And this is what the blind bags look like. We've got Hitch and Sunny and Izzy on there. And then on the back, we've kind of got like a little bit of the different figures, our specialty ones. We can see Dinosaw right here, and licensed by Hasbro here. So they're official My Little Pony products. Super excited. Let's get one of these open. So it seems like we could probably just tear it like this. Okay. And it is just one figure inside. Nothing else in there. There is no collector's guide or anything. And the first figure we have is this crystal little teal Izzy with a witch hat and a pumpkin. There's her cutie mark right there. So cute. I love that the pumpkin has a face on it. So cute. I kind of wish her cutie mark was on this side because that's the way she's facing. Or if they would have just tilted her head and the pumpkin so that she could have faced with her cutie mark face now. But still, really cool. And that's that one right there. So it says 24 out of 240. So this one's a pretty normal one. This one's 24, and it looks like the regular one is 12. And it seems like that's the way it is with these two. This one, his regular one's 8, her regular one's 11. And then these two special ones, there's 4 of these and 1 of those. Well, there's our first one. Let's see if we can open this without damaging the bag too bad. I always keep packaging. Ugh. Well, it definitely doesn't open like a chip bag. Alright, so I snipped the bottom of it, so it's still kind of like a whole bag. And I'll tell you what, they smell like nail polish. When I cut this bag open, the smell just hit me like, ugh. Ta-da! Ooh! I think this is Hitch. At first I was like, what is this? So this is Hitch. There's his cutie mark. He's clear and purple. Come on. No, focus on this for me. Thank you. He's sitting on a leaf. Can you see that? Like a little leaf like this? And he's got a little hat on. So he's sitting and has his little hat on. That's cute. So this looks like this might be this one here. That's possible. I don't know if this is his like uber special one or not. Can you focus? Why are you not focusing on this at all? Ay, ay, ay. Aw, he's cute. We'll set him right there. I think we're gonna have, well, I mean, now that I've opened one to keep, we can just like rip these. We don't have to use scissors for them. Ooh, it's a Pip. And we have Pip's special one. And she's in a little gift box with a pink bow. You can actually see her sitting down in the box. So cute. A little ribbon on each side. And she's got her little Santa hat on. So cute. Little hearts in her eyes. Nobody else had that. So cute. Yep. There. I just grabbed a couple. Make it a little bit easier to open these. Ooh, we do have a new one. Oh, this is Sunny. And this is Sunny's, like, New Year's celebration. Look at her cute little hat. Cutie mark. She goes from pink to blue. She's got her little scroll here. How cute. And she is an alicorn form. Really pretty. There's our first 4. We got one of every character so far. And all of them were like their clear glitter variant. Or at least one of them anyways. Alright. Who's next? It's another Hitch. And it's the same one that we had before. Really super cute. We'll put him on our doubles shelf down here. Ta-da! Oh, another Izzy, and it's the same one we already have. Aw, sad. Another one of the little green and blue Halloween Izzy. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, no, we don't. Oh, we used them all. Let's get a couple more. Ah! Threw it right on the floor. Well, you know how it is. If it doesn't go to the floor, it's not a video. Ooh, a pink one of Izzy. So this is a different version of her. This one's pink. And it has blue eyes on the pumpkin. And it's like a pink and purple version of Izzy. That's cute. Something different. So let's go ahead and start putting Izzy's right there so we can see the different ones we have of her. And it's another Hitch. This time, Hitch has his eyes closed. So this is the third version of Hitch. His eyes are closed. He's green and yellow. He's got his cool little hat on. How cute. So we'll put the 2 Hitch up there. We'll put Pip there and Sunny there so we can kind of keep them separated. Here's another one. Oh, it's another one of our Izzy's, and it's the pink one. Cute. Bubbles. Right there on the bottom shelf. Let's grab a couple more. I wanted to have these before the holidays were over, but they just didn't arrive that quickly. I ordered these on AliExpress, and I think I ordered them in like the middle of the night when I realized they were on here. Oh, it's another Sunny, but she doesn't have her scroll. Her scroll is broke. So it's the same Sunny that we have. It's just her scroll has broken off of her foot there. We would just have to glue her scroll back onto her foot. Ah! Oh! She probably won't even stand without it. There we go. We'll let her chill there. My word. Oh, it's another Hitch, but it's like the regular one. Yay! Look how cute he is. He doesn't look very happy to be in his little hat. And sitting on a leaf. How cute. I love Hitch. I hope we get another boy as a main character. So now we have 3 of Hitch. And it looks like we're going to have 4 of Hitch. So we're still missing like whatever his special one is. Ooh, it's another Pip. And it's the same Pip that we got last time. So cute. Put her down here in our doubles. Grab a couple more out of here. These are like inflated, just like chip bags. Look how fat these are, and it's all air. What? Oh, and it's a regular Izzy. Look at her. I love the regular ones that are fully painted like this. I mean, her hooves aren't painted, but the cute little pumpkin, her really like metallic looking hair. Isn't that sad? Shoving Hasbro right on the back of her leg. Like on the display side. Little crystals in her hair. And her cutie mark. She is missing her friendship bracelet on these. So that's something to know. She's so cute. Her little hat is really cute. Yeah, that's the only thing. I just don't like that it says Hasbro right on her leg like that. Like, you could have put it on her belly or on the inside of this leg or something. Like, it didn't need to be right there. How poopy. Alright, there's Izzy. And it looks like those are the only 3 figures of Izzy. So we found all of Izzy. We haven't found any more Pip. Isn't that weird? Let's go. Oh, we do have another Pip. This one is cool. This even has a different like image on the present. Look at this one. She's clear with like rainbow glitter in there. She's got snow and a snowflake on the front of her present. And the ribbon on the side is blue. Oh, cool. I really like this one. I think Pip's and Izzy's are my favorite because I know those holidays. All right. Oh, and this one is Sunny in her fully painted look. Look at that. Look how cool her little hat is. All painted up really nicely. Gold wings, gold horn. The cutie mark is there. No painted hooves and no color streaks in her hair. Interesting. Still really cute. So we've only got 2 different versions of her. Grab a couple more. Oh no! Knocked it over. Wow, this is like ripty right there. There's 3, but there's only 5 in the box left? Yeah, we've only got 5 left. Alright, we took out the last 5. Let's fix this after we had our unexpected earthquake. Just knock them all over. Oh, there we go. So we're still missing a 3rd one of Pip, a 3rd one of Sunny, and Sunny's extra one. So 1, 2, 3. We're missing 3 pieces. Oh, and 4, because we're missing Hitch's extra one. So we're missing 4 pieces, and we have 5 bags. We should have the 4 in these bags. Let's find out. Ooh, this is our regular little Pip. Look at how cute she is. One winking eye, her little Santa hat, yellow ribbon. Her wings are painted really nicely. And you know what? She does even have her cutie mark in there. You can see it way down there. See it? So cute. And then she has the same snowflake design on the front of her box. Cute! So there's all 3 of Pip. This sounds scary. It sounds broke. I bet it's a Sunny. It is a Sunny. Wow. Oh man. I can't believe these break like that. So here's this one. This one is bright, like neon pink, going on up to orange. Really cool. Sad that she has a broken whoozamajigger. And then there's her little scroll. We'll have to glue those back together. Alright, let's see who's in this one. Doesn't sound broke. Oh, it's another Hitch. And it's another Hitch of the same one that we already have. In green. We only have 2 bags left. So I would say we need to get the 2 specials. Getting this open is hard. This is not a special one. This is another repeat of Pip. Cute. Oh boy. So we didn't get either of the special ones yet. Yikes. Well, let's hope that this is our special one. Let's hope. At least one of them. I mean, we bought a whole case. And it's Sunny, and it looks like she might be the same one that's over there. Let's just take a look. Does she have glitter in her too? Yeah. So they're the same. Wow, we didn't get any of the special ones. Just the regular ones. Oh, what? I wonder what the special ones look like. We don't even know what those look like in particular. So we did get 2 extras of each character and no extras of their like full painted figures. Those were 12 out of 240 and the rest were 24 out of 240. So that makes sense if we're looking at probably getting 1 of each of those, 2 of the others, and then the rest are 1 and 4. So we did not get any special ones in this set. Isn't that crazy? Well, that kind of sucks. I really think that there should always be one of the special ones in every box. They really should. They shouldn't be that hard to find. But we did get a chance to take a look at 1 of each of the regular ones that you can get in this collection, and they're so cute. I love Dinosaw, and their interpretation of these ponies are really, really cute. I love the holiday theme. We've got the Halloween and the Christmas. I think this is New Year's. I'm not positive what this is. If you guys can tell me what holiday this is, I would love to know what he represents there. And speaking of holidays, I wanted to show you something that I ended up with for Christmas. I got this really cool My Little Pony sticky flags and pads. It's 100 sticky flags, 3 memo pads totaling 100 sheets, and 1 Ziploc pouch. And it has our G1 ponies on it. It came from Five Below by Inkology. Here's the UPC if you guys are looking for that at your local Five Below. Super cute. It does have this little zipper pouch right here that you can see. And then when we open it up, we've got these little flags right here. And we've got Starshine, Parasol, Sky Dancer, and ooh, I don't remember that one's name. Windy and Glory over here. Moonstone right here. Windy again. Really cute little pads. And then over here we've got this cute little bird artwork. And then down here we've got Starshine and Sky Dancer again. And it's just like a full pad of paper like that. Really cute. Just a nice little extra notebook. Same thing as like the notebooks that we've seen before, the one that had Megan and the one that didn't have Megan in it. I just thought this was really cool, and since it's My Little Pony themed, I thought I'd share it with you. Well, thanks so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the video do better and helps the channel. As well as if you don't have the notification bell hit, make sure you hit that so you never miss the next time we open something from My Little Pony. And if we aren't friends yet, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and stick around. It's completely free. It really helps the channel do better, and I would greatly appreciate your support. As well as I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Let me know who's your favorite. Were you disappointed that we didn't get any special ones like I did? And are these something that you'd love to see come to America? I would love Dinosaw to start producing products in America. These are fantastic. 100% great job. Dinosaw always hits it out of the park. These are so cute. Well, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!